Hello, welcome back to the channel. So in this tutorial we're going to be using the AK panel liners. So as you can see we have 4 different versions here. So we've got the sepia, light grey, black and dark brown. So very similar to what the Tamiya versions of this are, in a very similar jar as well. So for this demo we will be using the sepia one. So just move the ones out of the way. So normal thing, this is an enamel based product, so you're going to have to wake it up because a lot of it is going to settle down at the bottom, as you can see. So give it a very good shake, and if necessary, take the lid off and get a stirrer stick in there, or a coffee stirrer, whatever you use for stirring. But yeah, give this a real good. So these are nice because they come with the application brush, so very much like the glues, same sort of jar. So it should be really easy to apply. Again, I've got the wing here, which is obviously all painted. No gloss coats on this, and no sealer coats at all. This is the Vallejo metal colour range, so obviously water based and enamels, it should be fine. There shouldn't be any reactions. Obviously if you are using extreme metals and things like that, make sure it's either really fully dry or you've sealed it in. So this should be already thin, so it should be just touch and flow. The capillary action do all the work. Don't worry about any overspill. We can clear that up after. Obviously depending on what surface you've got, whether it's a matte, gloss, satin, is going to determine how all these flow. Okay, so we'll leave that to dry. What we'll do is, just for a bit of more contrast, we'll pull out the black. Right, so panel line's on. What we're going to do is just let that dry off, fully dry, and then once that's all gone flat, which is, to be honest, it's not far off now, we can start cleaning it off. So just to tidy it up, what we will be using is AK's odorless thinner. Again, other brands are available, but yeah, that's what we'll be using for this. So I've got an AK long brush, obviously a bit of paper just to unload the thinners. So what we'll do is we'll just prep the brush. Right, you're not going to need like gallons of thinner on your brush just to clean this off, so just unload it so it's damp, and when you just clean your brush off. soak up the excess wash that you don't want on there. Okay, keep your brush clean as well. Again, the other method you can use is a Q-tip or earbud, again dampened with thinners, and then just wipe it over the surface, which will then give you a really nice sharp panel line wash, if that's what you want. With this method you can streak it and just add some general weathering as well. And then move it around, unload, go back. And there you have it. Quick little tutorial on using panel line washers. Again, really effective. And depending on what look you're going for, but again, it's just a basis for other weathering techniques as well. There we have it. So, as usual, thank you for watching. All links and just for the products that I've just used will be down below, down there, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.